If you want to make a cup of strong and fragrant perfume lemon tea, you must choose a good tea base. This time, we will bring you our Ceylon black tea, which is very suitable for making lemon tea. Next, I will teach you how to brew the bottom of the tea. Add tea leaves and boiling water into the measuring pot, then fully stir evenly, and then seal and brew for 15 minutes. After brewing, stir the tea leaves before filtering, then filter the tea leaves, add ice cubes and stir evenly for later use. Add 80 grams of ice cubes and 50 grams of perfumed lemon to the shaker and beat vigorously, and then add our today's protagonist, Ceylon black tea. This Ceylon black tea is thicker and has a mellow aroma. It is very suitable to be paired with perfumed lemons or other green lemons and yellow lemons. It can make lemon tea with a strong and rich taste, and it is also very good to make milk tea series. Then add golden syrup and ice cubes, shake well, pour into a glass, and it's easy. If you want to know more about the latest raw material information in the industry, just pay attention to our Xiaoya students. Bye bye, we will see you next time.